Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have a Google Pixel 7 Pro with a cracked display. It's very common, but a bent frame as well. So this one is gonna be a special one. Google Pixel smartphones tend to be very easy to repair, but I think I haven't seen one that's this bent. The bend is around the bottom of the cameras where the thick portion of the device is. So as you can see there, it's still on, but David is gonna remove the display while it is still on. It's a very curious decision, but we'll see how it goes. Look at that, it's still flickering. Apologies to those who are sensitive to flashing lights. That's not gonna be for long. I'm gonna slowly lift it up from this side because the connector is on the left portion of the smartphone. The frame as well is breaking apart. So you have your display, and behind the display is a frame. I'm not sure how this will go. We're gonna remove the retaining clip for the display connector, and it's gonna be put to the side. I'm gonna remove the display. I'm gonna pry it from the opposite side here, and that's all. Cut through some adhesive, and this is our brand new replacement display. And as you can see there, it's still bare, so we're gonna transplant the fingerprint scanner, the front camera rubber spacer, some rubber parts from the old display. But for the meantime, we're gonna try to test if this is going to work with the board that we have here. This smartphone has not been turned off properly, so it's on the whole time. As you can see there, it still shows us something. The cameras are all working. David is peeking there. I think this is good. It's safe for us to continue. The phone has finally been properly shut down. I'm gonna lift up, I'm gonna remove the display, and right here we have 4 main parts that we need to remove, or I think 5. We're gonna remove this fingerprint scanner, the 2 black rubber spacers on top and around this fingerprint scanner, and also the spacer for the front camera. This one is the trickiest part. I'm gonna align this exactly. Without this, you can't use their fingerprint unlock, but it's still better than having it serialized, so we can just transfer it from display to display. So it's not like how Apple does it, where if you replace the display True Tone and some features are disabled. This one, you just have to go to an expert technician to have some hardware transferred, and you can still reuse the same hardware. David is going to address the bent issue on the frame. We also have some bends on the sides. So David is going to use his drill here. We're not really gonna file a lot of material off. We're just gonna make sure that the display will be seated flush against the frame when we install it later on, and I think it's okay. The bend is mended. A bit of adjustments. Mind you that David is pushing against the battery, which is kind of nerve-wracking, but he's the expert here, so we're not gonna question his call. Also gonna file the corners And this is the frame that I'm talking about a while ago. We're gonna install it on the back of the display. This is gonna be clipping to the main housing later on. Also very flimsy on the bottom and top portions. This is the rubber spacer. I'm also gonna remove this rubber. I'm gonna align that later on. And another one, rectangle. This is for the parts that's rubbing against the display to make them snugly fit. And here we are gonna put our own liquid adhesive so that we can permanently install the new replacement display. So we're gonna reconnect the connector here and then install the retaining clip. It's a BB connector, so we will need a bit of pressure there. Retaining clip. There you go. And then we're gonna say goodbye to the internal components for a while. We're gonna close up the device here. We're gonna align it properly and press it in. Perfect. Still turns on. That's a good sign. And there you have it. It's done. So if you have any questions and you want this kind of repair, message us, leave a comment, like and subscribe. Follow us on Facebook and YouTube. We have new videos every day. And here's the proof, the before and after. So I hope you enjoyed this, guys. We'll see you again next time. Take care. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks. This and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I can roast, I can gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time?